Good morning, sir, and welcome to Elite Hotel. My name is LJ, and I'm going to be your butler for 3 days. May I help with your luggage? Sure. By the way, sir, is there any fragile items here? Oh, no. So, sir, I'm going to lead the way to the process. I'm going to get your green card. It's later for delivery. So, by the way, sir, I'm going to tell you about the hotel facilities. So, first, we have the bar area, okay, which you can drink any liquor, beverages. And also, we also have a restaurant. They cooking some Chinese cuisine and American cuisine and German cuisine. And also, we have a swimming pool on the left wing of this building. And also, we have a fitness gym if you want to use it cardio. And all of these facility was also open at starting from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And by the way, sir, if there's an emergency happen, and you're all alone here in this elevator, don't hesitate to press the red button. So for us to reach you for some help. And so, sir, by the way, you're already here at your room, which is room 807, which is allocated to the So this big bar, sir, is the main key for your main door. And also, sir, this green card is the main switch. You just need to insert here. Okay. The lights and the aircon will automatically on. Sir, by the way, where do you want me to set up your luggage? To your bedside or to your luggage rack? It's okay. Sorry. So, do you want me to help you to unpack your luggage? No, thanks. Alright. So, sir, I'm going to explain or tell you about the room amenities, if you don't mind. May I?
Yes.
So first, sir, we have a mini bar here and a mini ref. So where you can consume 2 free water bottles, but if you consume another 3 or more, it will be automatically charged to your bank account. And also here we have a vault which you can put your private items for safety purposes. And also here in the bathroom, we have a bathtub, and also just press the gray button for a cold shower and a red button for the hot shower. And last is the single size bed, which is very comfy to sleep. And it's in a 2-bay setup, by the way. So, sir, is there anything else that I can help you with? If you want butler service assistance, just dial 1 on your room phone. Okay, sure. See you in 3 days, sir, and have a nice day. Thank you for your service. Butler service.
Before going to your room.
Hi, sir. Are you ready to check out now?
Yes, I'm ready.
So, do you mind if I help you to pack your luggage?
Yes, that's nice.
So, sir, by the way, have you enjoyed staying here with us?
Yes, it's nice to stay here.
Alright, sir, thank you for your feedback. I'm going to lead the way now to the elevator. Our VIP, Mr. Marcos, was already to check out now. So by the way, sir, which payment method do you prefer?
I want
Alright, credit card. So sir, thank you very much for staying with us here in Elite Hotel. I hope to see you again. We hope to see you again. Have a nice day.